In a small town nestled between misty hills, there lived two brilliant young minds, Ethan, a 12-year-old boy with a knack for engineering, and Lila, an 11-year-old girl gifted with an extraordinary imagination. While Ethan could build anything he imagined, Lila could dream of possibilities no one else could fathom. Together, they were an unstoppable team. One day, during a school visit to an old abandoned factory, Lila's eyes sparkled with excitement. "This could be our lab," she whispered to Ethan. Inspired by her words, the duo decided to transform the forgotten factory into their innovation hub. Their dream: to create the world's first flying car. Ethan worked tirelessly on blueprints, while Lila sketched futuristic designs. Their days were filled with trial and error, late-night brainstorms, and an unshakable determination. Ethan sourced scrap metal, motors, and wires, repurposing them with his technical expertise. Lila envisioned a sleek, bird-like design that could soar gracefully through the skies. Months passed, and the factory buzzed with activity. The car, named Skyswift One, began to take shape. It had wings that folded seamlessly, a lightweight body crafted from repurposed airplane parts, and an innovative power source, a mix of solar and kinetic energy. Finally, the day of testing arrived. The townsfolk gathered, skeptical but curious, as Ethan and Lila unveiled their creation. Nervously, they started the engine. The car hummed, lifted off the ground, and soared into the sky, defying gravity. Gasps of amazement filled the air. News of the flying car spread like wildfire, catching the attention of global innovators and scientists. Ethan and Lila were hailed as prodigies. However, instead of selling their creation, they shared their blueprints with the world for free, hoping to inspire others to push the boundaries of imagination. Moral of the story: with determination, collaboration, and a willingness to share knowledge, even the wildest dreams can come true. Innovation is not just about individual success but about inspiring and uplifting the world around you.